Welcome back to my channel. We are still messing things up in life here. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this pretty much every Thursday and Sunday. It's kind of awesome. You should hit that like and subscribe button because you're gonna want to keep watching. Hopefully it gets better from here. We'll see. We're gonna be playing with something, by we I mean me. I'm gonna be playing with something a little different today, something I haven't touched in a long time. For the most part, I've tried to make the majority of my makeup collection cruelty-free, and L'Oreal, unfortunately, is not one of those cruelty-free brands, at least in the US or really anywhere. But I was gifted this little cutie here, and I figured, you know, why not give it a try? I haven't been using a whole lot of makeup lately. Like, this is what we got. I moisturized and mascaraed, and that's where I'm sitting currently. So I'm gonna just try it out. I figured, why not? What's the harm? And it's a powder foundation too. It is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Gentle Mineral Makeup Titanium Dioxide Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 19. Yeah, that's all it says. Are there instructions? I mean, it seems kind of cute. I was gifted this because it was not quite for the person who I gave it to. So they figured I should just give it a go. And that's what we're gonna do. It's pretty cool. It's mineral. I thought like Bare Minerals was like the minerally makeup, but this seems like it's up there. And I mean, I'm not sure. Drug facts, direction. Is there instructions? Direction. Hello. Lift. The instructions are probably removed with the wrapping. Should I probably look for instructions before I started this? Yeah. Oh well. The color is in Natural Ivory, so we'll see how it goes with my skin tone. Normally, I would say this would not work at all, but given I haven't really seen the sun in like months, maybe a year. It's been so long I've lost count. Goodness great, that's a long time. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on today. We're gonna figure this out together. That's cute. So this whole little thing is like a little to-go buddy. Like okay. So in here you have like the little powder and that screws, and then this pops off and you have, oh, and it's kind of like I mean, it's a little fluffy. It's not super dense, but it's up there. I feel like it's gonna push in to my skin instead of lay it on my skin, which is kind of what I like powders to do. We'll see. I made myself like 500 little headbands because they're so cute, and I just, come on, you would too. All right, so step 1, maybe lid off. Step 2, I unscrew this. This is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty chill, I guess. Can I like bop some of this back down in there? I don't want to pick up too much with this. I'm very light with what I have. Oh, okay, it's going in the air. We'll just, I'm trying to tap it back down in there. I mean, I guess maybe it's not super travel friendly if I have to tap it back in there a bunch, but I don't want to come in heavy and regret it. Okay, you know, that should be good, right? And then Seems okay so far. Close up. Not bad. Okay. We're gonna go at it. I'll do one side first. We'll see how this works out. Yeah? Maybe? Okay. I made a mess on me and on the table, on my pants, but it looks kind of okay. It's a lot lighter than what I'm used to as far as my skin tone goes, but that could also be because of the redness under my skin. A lot of it just disappeared when I put this on, which is pretty neat actually. Just looking at the differences, even far mirror, close-up mirror, viewfinder, it is a big difference. It does cover though, not dramatically or anything like that. You can still see like my dark circles under my eyes where I smeared my mascara on my eyelids, a little bit of redness around my lips, but overall that's not bad. Oh, and you bet your sweet behind I'm doing a wear test today. A whole day's worth of work to get done. So I'm just gonna come in, drop the lid, make a mess, and oh god, does this come out? Oh god, it's everywhere. Like, you all should have warned me. I should have been warned. I should have been made aware. There's like none in here. I used it all, almost. So if I want more, do I just screw this back on? Oh, okay. So not like a ton came out, which is good. Better or worse? Better or worse? Okay. Aside from the mess, which I have made, my skin is definitely a whole lot paler than I'm used to, so this is really not my skin tone. I'm gonna try and warm it up a bit. I'm gonna come in with my KKW blush in Flower Wall. I love this stuff. Add life back into my face. I definitely feel like this is the wrong shade for me, the absolute wrongest shade. I feel very pale, like, yeah, my neck definitely gets darker. Thank goodness I'm wearing a sweater because it's cold inside today. I mean, that's weird to say because it's summer, but I mean, I'm not digging it right off, but like I said, I'm gonna wear this for the rest of my day, see how it goes. I'll let you know. Yeah, if you use this, the L'Oreal Paris True Match Mineral Gentle Mineral Makeup blah blah blah, I'm assuming you're supposed to be a mineral foundation or mineral powder or whatever you want to call it, a foundation, something to cover your face. If you've used it, you have any tips or tricks or anything that you learned from it, let me know. I'm still gonna stand my ground and say this is not my shade. And hopefully I remember to do the check-in. Yeah, it'll be fine. I'll remember. So I'm back. I did it. I went the day with my face looking like this. And I mean, my oils definitely came through. You can see the shine on my forehead. And I was honestly hoping that this would really protect a lot of that from coming through, like soak it up. But upon closer inspection, It's okay. I mean, it's sitting there. I can see it caking like around my eyes right here where I get like the little dry spots on my cheeks. It did okay with my blush though, like wear Buddy Buddy, and that's cool. Here where I had the little red spot, still red, still see it. Really great with those chapped lips. Around my nose, I normally get a lot of breakage around my nose just because it likes to cake, and like I have a lot of facial expressions, so as you can tell in that area, like my skin creases, wrinkles, crinkle, whatever you want to call it, my skin does the thing and it just bunches up, and it's okay there. Even looking under my eyes where makeup likes to go in and hide, we're okay. One thing I am noticing though, but this is pretty common with most of my makeup, is where my glasses sit on my nose. You can see the little oval dent thing, whatever you want to call it. Like it's clearly moved it. Like it sits and moves it over. So I have a little patch next to it where there's no makeup on both sides, and that's normal. All I have to do is rub my finger over it a little bit, and it's back to normal. I still don't think this is my shade at all. At all. What did I say you were? Something ivory? Does this say children under 6 months of age ask a doctor? Protect this product in this container from excessive heat and direct sun. Shade Natural Ivory. What? I've quit. Oh. I want to know, but then I don't want to know. I don't know. Cute idea overall. It has been a minute since I've looked into anything that's not cruelty free, so L'Oreal Paris is one of those things I have not touched, not looked into at all. But this is pretty nifty overall. I think the whole little invention of it is a good thought, especially for people who like to use brushes instead of like the little pads or thingies that the normal compacts tend to come with. I mean, it's easier to have this to carry around with instead of, goodness, what is it? Like one of these, and I don't even have a big brush handy, and then one of these to like dip and just put, it's too much work. That there itself, too much work. This though, cute little carrying handy dandy all-in-one, this would work. But I don't know, maybe I'm missing something. Maybe there's something different. It's okay for me. I don't know if this would replace any of my current items. I really like the way like my BB creams, my tinted whatevers sit on my face. And this is cool too because it has the sunscreen in it, which is good. There's not a whole lot of other benefits to it other than it makes my face a whole lot whiter. Whiter. It's just, it's different for me, and I don't like it. This whole staying out of the sun thing, becoming different shades, having to adjust to, it's a whole thing in itself for me. But then this, taking it like a step further, like this is how pale you will be if you don't get out in the sun. That is a warning sign I'm gonna take to heart, and I'm gonna start stepping outside some more. But I don't know. Still, I like to hear from you. Let me know if this is something you've tried, you're cool with, something similar that you've used that you're okay with, or if this just flat out did not work for you, because I'm saying, and I also want to know why it has to say children under the age of 6 months. You should ask a doctor if they should be using this. I'm gonna leave it at that. I will catch you next time. Remember, Thursday, Sunday, and I will see you then. Bye.